Alright, so guys, I'm gonna show you my Whoop experience today. I'm gonna go to my gym and show you the whole usability of Whoop 4.0 using my new band, and we'll walk you through the whole experience of how you can use the Whoop app, because Whoop app is the main thing which basically tells you the whole data and your whole fitness levels and your recovery, your strain, everything. So first I will park my car outside over here. This is my gym. It's pretty decent. It's in the center of Dubai. I think my lights are on. Okay, let's check in to the gym. I recently purchased this new color band from Whoop. Looks different, looks nice. Okay, so this is the main Whoop app where basically you can see all your data, your recovery, your strain, your sleep performance and everything. Pretty much everything you do on your Whoop shows on this app. Okay, and one more thing, I just picked up this brand new S25, and I'm basically trying to review both my Whoop band and the Whoop app and this device, bits and pieces, everything together. Yalla yalla, where's the shake? Thank you. Let's find a nice place to sit. One thing we should, appreciate from Google, that all of their apps, YouTube Music, Gmail, Google, all their apps on any of the Android devices, they works very smoothly. Let me try to connect with my AirPods, because AirPods are the only earphones that you can have. There's no competition. You can pick any brands out there. There is no competition for AirPods. You can move your device from iPhone to Android, but you cannot leave your AirPods. At least for me, this is the 100% fact. Now take a look at this now bar. They've done a pretty nice job. You click on this small widget, it expands the whole music app. It's a nice decent way to showcase what kind of music you're playing, and you can have a quick access to your music. Let's get back to Whoop app. So here you can basically log all your activities if you want. Otherwise, the band detects itself. It's pretty cool. I like this color. I like this color. This is one of the best colors out there. I'm gonna show you once I start my workout how to log your activity if you want. Okay, let me show you a little demo. I was not planning to do cardio, but hey, let's do it for the Whoop review. Okay, I'm trying to start the activity, but okay, here you go. You can select the type of activity you want to start. I am looking for walking, I believe. That would be much more suitable. Oh, I think I clicked on the wrong one. Yeah, here you go. So now I have walking as my activity selected. Once you hit start, it will do a small countdown, 3 to 1, and then basically it starts capturing all your data while you're doing this. So here I'm starting my activity using my iPhone. There's a reason why I'm showing you the activity on my iPhone. Let's get started. So you see, once you start your activity and you go on your lock screen, here you get a very nice, interesting widget. This is one of the best reason I'm using Hope. To be honest, this widget is the best thing in Whoop app. Let's not forget it's the brand new S25. The display is superb. There's no reflection and the blacks are too dark. This is my beautiful gym. And this is one of my favorite machines and one of my favorite exercise for chest. Also, one of the very interesting part in this widget is zones. So as you are doing your activity, you can see your changes in the zone based on how you're performing in your activity. And whenever you want to finish your activity, you just tap over here, save, and you can just log in your activity and it saves your data. Well, this is pretty much it. I hope you like my short video. Support me, try to subscribe me. I've just started vlogging. Hope with your support I'll do more.